And next, the Bible on trial in Finland. A major case was recently before the Supreme Court of Finland, and it's expected to set a precedent for free speech and freedom of religion across Europe.
NTD's Daniel Monaghan spoke with a Finnish member of parliament accused of, quote, hate speech for publicly expressing her faith-based beliefs on marriage and sexuality. Have a look.
Päivi Räsänen is a medical doctor, grandmother, and has been a member of parliament for more than 25 years. She served as Finland's Minister of the Interior from 2011 to 2015. Räsänen has faced 3 separate criminal charges stemming from a 2019 tweet questioning her church's sponsorship of the Helsinki Pride event. The tweet featured a photo of Bible verses describing same-sex relations between men and a 2004 pamphlet discussing Christian teachings on sexuality. According to legal firm ADF International, the prosecution argues her tweet constituted agitation against a minority group under Finland's hate speech laws, which are codified under the section of the criminal code titled War Crimes and Crimes Against Humanity. Throughout the investigation, Dr. Räsänen has endured more than 13 hours of police interrogation, during which she was repeatedly asked to explain her theological understanding of the Bible.
It was really a surprise to me 7 years ago when they started that this could lead to charges and to police investigations and interrogations and such a long process in court.
In the hearing, prosecutors repeated their argument that Räsänen's words were insulting and that intent is irrelevant and that what matters is how readers interpret the text.
What I have spoken, it has been what Bible teaches about marriage and gender and sexuality. And I think that God is love. And what he speaks, it is out of love. And it is also out of love to warn people about that kind of deeds that would hurt themselves and that would danger their salvation to eternal life.
The prosecution called for Räsänen and Bishop Juhana Pohjola to be criminally convicted for incitement against a group and for Räsänen's tweet and pamphlet to be censored from the internet. Räsänen says it's time now for people to be open about their faith and values.
Because the more we are silent about the basis of our faith and about these contradictory issues, the narrower becomes the space to express our convictions and our values.
Räsänen calls on those standing up for freedom to be steadfast.
We should not be afraid some difficulties or even persecution in this time, because I have seen that God uses these kind of processes in his own purposes. So
the doctor and grandmother says when hate speech laws were originally approved in the Finnish parliament, nobody thought they'd be used to target Christians and the teachings of spiritual books such as the Bible.
We have long roots of Christianity in Finland, and almost in every home in Finland we have Bibles. But now we are in a situation that these laws are tried to be targeted against expressing what Bible teaches, for example, about marriage.
Räsänen says young people need a strong moral foundation now more than ever. The parliament member says the younger generations are living in ideological confusion,
which is very stressful for young people. And I think that now they would need to be told that they are precious, they are created as the image of God, but it is the God who tells that what is good for their life and what is bad for their life.
The decision on the case from the Supreme Court is expected in spring. Daniel Monaghan, NTD News.